Well, first of all, very hearty congratulations on achieving this phenomenal milestone, especially when, at least I've been following the BSE for the last 25 years or so, and I find that it's in the forefront of evolution, and at every stage it is adapted to higher and higher standards of governance and have kept abreast of the latest technologies that are available. I remember the day when BSE moved to the Bolt, and since then, investors have got much higher sense of comfort, transparency, speed, and I'm sure that the volumes have gone up manyfold since the introduction of that online system. I think BSE as an institution has greatly contributed to the wealth creation in this country. It has played its role as a mediator between investors and companies requiring funds for growth, and has played that role remarkably well. I receive a lot of alerts from BSE on both investor education and also on as a company how to keep up with the latest standards of working and governance, etc. So I think the fact that they're able to bring together investors and the companies on equated platform is how they have greatly helped in wealth creation. I think earlier what BSE was the requirement of those times, and I'm happy to at least as an Indian tell you that I feel proud that BSE has kept up that evolution. It has become more sophistication, it has become more transparent, it's so much easier to get more data, to study companies. Some of my colleagues are serious investors, and they find that the availability of information, the updated information is of the highest level and can be compared to some of the best exchanges in the world. And I also find that they are living in the times, and I see BSE continuously inducing companies in the BSE 100 and removing companies, shows that they are up to what is happening in the world. Yes, if you see the number of retail investors that have gone up sequentially over the number of years, I think investment landscape has definitely evolved, and I see that stocks as an asset class, equity as an asset class, is certainly now more on people, even the common man's tongue, than it ever was before. I think India is actually poised very well, if you ask my subjective opinion. But I think there are a lot of global scenarios that people are nervous about, and they would rather see it being played out and then take some view on it. And I think the markets are right now suffering more because of global pressures and reasons than domestic reasons. My view is that domestic is actually quite okay.